Hi, this is Mandana and I am here on my show called Let's Talk About It. मेरे साथ आज एक बहुत ही अच्छी दोस्त और एक खूबसूरत dancer and I love her to bits and I have called her here to have you to meet her like I meet her every day. So here we are with Ismat Jawad. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
So good to see you. हम इस वक्त इस्मत के घर में और हमें इसने ये पंखे दिए हैं कि हमें ये टच जो है ना बहुत अच्छा लगे. So thank you so much, Ismat, for doing this.
Thank you for having me.
So Ismat, tell me more about you as a person. Who is Ismat?
Well, I'm an artist. I'm a regular, ordinary human being.
Of course.
And then my training or my upbringing has been as an artist, and I've always been inclined towards the arts. So I sing and dance, and also nowadays I'm doing crafts, crochet.
Yeah, I know. I just saw something she made. इतने मजे की बात है कि I have a very interesting story. When we moved to Bedia and when we started living here, so when some people came to our house, तो हर बंदा मुझे ये कहता था, आप हर सुख वालों से मिले, आप हर सुख वालों से मिले, आप हर सुख वालों से मिले, and in a matter of I think 5-6 months we met, and I came over, and this place is beautiful, and then I met the Harsakiyan, the three sisters, and Bina Jawad and Ismat and all these people, and all of them are such a strong energy and independently such beautiful artists that I cannot elaborate more on. Finding and meeting Ismat and getting to know her more, getting to know what she does, it was amazing. So we've done things together on the festival, and she's taken dance classes. Ismat, tell me more about your dance journey.
So I learned Kathak from the age of 15. I started learning from my mother, and she taught me all the basics, the exercises of Kathak and the tukras, and bas tab se I got interested in it. Of course, it's very difficult for a child to learn from their own mother.
Yes, so I can understand.
वहाँ पे बड़ी tantrums throw करना है, तुम सही नहीं कर रही क्यों, you know. So it's easier to learn from a teacher, someone who's not, you know, your mother or your parents, क्योंकि तो anyway, so then I started, and then जहाँ भी मुझे travel करने का मौका मिला, UK या US में, I always made sure to ये अपनी dance classes में करूँ उधर से, कभी jazz dance, कभी contemporary dance का course कर लिया, ये कर लिया, वो ऐसे करके ना. तो because यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान में तो नहीं है performing arts, इस तरह करके dance schools तो नहीं है, तो you go to a teacher to learn. तो thankfully I had a teacher at my home, Amma. But जो modern dance and other forms of dance थे, I wanted to explore as well.
So, as you said कि अम्मा से सीखना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होता है, and that's तो वो journey, like how did you elevate yourself from that way? Because माँ बाप के लिए तो कभी बड़े नहीं होते ना, वो आपको उसी तरह देखते हैं कि नहीं इसको कुछ नहीं आता, इसको कुछ नहीं पता, ये क्या करेगी. तो वो जो एक process है of finding your own self, knowing what is going to work for you. Like as you said कि आपने jazz भी किया, आपने classical भी किया, आपने कथक भी किया, तो फिर what form of dance, what do you call your form of dance?
Acha, so I would like to go to the good thing about my mother is that she was also our best friend. So उन्होंने मना नहीं किया to explore anything. ना, she wasn't rigid कि तुम्हें यही करना है. So we were allowed, you know, full freedom of expression और जो करना है, just medium explore करना है. So I dabbled in video art, in painting, in sculpture, in you know, all these mediums just to express my self the best way that I could. I needed to find a medium to do that in. तो वो मुझे फिर सारे ये मिले. Amma being herself a designer, graphic designer, उन्होंने भी किया था. She understood that an artist is you can't limit an artist. You have to give them full range of mediums उनके सामने रखो to explore with, you know. So then I still feel like I'm not limiting or boxing myself into one medium of expression. So I कभी मेरा दिल करता है मैं क्रोशे कर लूँ, कभी उठ के मेरा दिल करता है मैं आवाज लगा लूँ या कुछ कर लूँ, तो you know I have to follow that.
So you follow your own safe calling.
Guidance बिल्कुल inner जो है. हाँ.
अच्छा, what is the right age to learn Kathak? Do you think there is any specific age or time when one needs to start doing this process?
I think बचपन से ही शुरू कर लें बच्चों को ना, like at least sit them in classes where they absorb, because children are like sponges, so they sit in the classroom or they sit around people who are playing music, who are dancing around them, and वो बच्चा जो है पहले सबसे पहले तो observation होती है ना, तो the kid will learn through observation for sure. वो sponge वो absorb कर लेंगे, and फिर next step आएगा कि आप जब वो ready करें play के form में ये करो, हाँ ये कर लो, so introduce them in their language, in their seeing their capacity and ability, वो देख के आप उनके साथ आहिस्ता आहिस्ता शुरू करें.
I do feel that when we are growing up, हमारी जो surrounding है या हमारी जो environment है उससे हम बहुत कुछ सीख रहे होते हैं, and maybe वो unconscious learning भी हो सकती है और conscious learning भी हो सकती है, but अगर वो conscious learning हो, क्योंकि art जो है वो एक basic skill है या उस skill में develop हो सकता है, आप किसी चीज़ का शौक रख सकते हैं, but then you go towards that, you develop that skill, and I think giving the canvas to a child where he can play with different things and do different things, like you said, आपने music भी किया, आपने dance भी किया, आपने paint भी किया, आपने crochet भी कर रहे हो, so you are exploring your own self, and I think that should not be any age limit or boundary or anyone. और I think अगर आप बचपन से इस माहौल में हो, and luckily Ismat was in that space, and that she was allowed to have that exposure to do all those things, and now Ismat was telling me that she's doing classes, dance classes. So what kind of dance classes are you having?
So these dance classes are going to be mixed dance. So if you're interested in all sorts of music, world music, you know, that's what moves you to dance. Or I am so fascinated by African dance, हो जाए flamenco, हो जाए Spanish dance, या different countries के dances जो है ना, और जिस तरह वो evolve हुए हैं या fuse किया है modern world ने traditional dance को, and making it, you know, in their converting it to the language
of people can understand,
and where they can also follow their own culture and rhythm and feeling जो अंदर से they want to do ना, तो dance तो is so universal, anyone can do it, and वो तो मैंने classes शुरू की हैं और start to be inclusive of all kinds of dance, उसके अंदर थोड़े से stretches and body opening, because हम इतने बंद रहते हैं ना, especially as women in our society, हमारी bodies बड़ी बंद and polite and तरीके से बैठी हैं, you know, kind of, but उसको like to encourage women and men, people, to really own our body space, our space, and come into to be able to express without self-consciousness.
So you were saying that you're doing music as a therapy now. Music, dance music, and dance and music as a therapeutic thing. So what does that mean? What does that, how can you explain, how is dance therapeutic?
Well, basically आपने जिस तरह move करना है, मतलब कि emotional expression के लिए, especially if people are shy and उन्होंने उनकी body में कोई, अक्सर आप बैठे होते हैं, कोई एनर्जी फिर रही होती है आपके अंदर ना, लाइक इमोशनल एनर्जी या कोई इरिटेशन या कोई फ्रस्ट्रेशन, कोई आपको एंगर इस तरह की इमोशंस बैठ जाती हैं, लाइक एंड यू डोंट नो हाउ टू टेक देम आउट. तो मूविंग द बॉडी, इफ वी ऑब्जर्व animals कि वो shake करने लग जाते हैं and then they ground themselves and they will so that's very natural for us. हम humans भी तो animals हैं ना in this body suit and this body requires some sort of movement and ताकि वो flow में रहें आपकी जो हैं emotions और कहीं फंस ना जाएं जाके.
So it's like an emotional release happening when you are dancing.
When you're moving any sort of
And when you're moving. Yes. So she's going to be having classes, everyone, and I would love you guys to know more about Ismat. She's a beautiful, beautiful singer also. And all these three sisters are part of this band or no, this group that you can call Harsakya. So that is also a beautiful thing and that happens here very often. So guys, thank you so much for being a part of the show. Thank you, Ismat.
Thank you.
Letting me know so much about you. And I hope and see that you can join art classes if you're looking for something to release and move. Then this is Ismat for you. Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye.